Hi everybody, we're here at Baghdad Cemetery in Leander, Texas. And there's my sister, Nancy. And here's our friends, our new friends, Enrique and Alejandra. Hi. And we're going to do a little spirit meter, and we're going to do SLS camera. Right now it's raining, so we're underneath the pavilion. All right, so there's the K2 meter calibrating. And it's raining. The things we do for YouTube. Oh. I think getting a little something. Getting a little bit of activity there. Let me see. Let me bring it to the phone. No, I don't know. Poor Nancy has a cane tonight. She's miserable. But she's being a good sport, and she came with me. Just little blips. Yeah. I'm going to try the SLS camera while we're under here. I'm just getting little blips. Bye, you guys. Have a beautiful evening. Okay, there's the SLS camera. That's Nancy. Bless her heart. Her hip's bothering her. But that's what we should see. We should see a figure somewhere. If there's anything out here. It's an empty field. I don't see anything. It should be getting, it's a drizzly November day. It's dismal, and some might think it's perfect cemetery weather, but I would prefer it was not raining. Don't see anything yet. We'll be back to this. We'll get back to this. Okay, you ready to walk, sis?
Yes, can we walk towards the Pioneer one?
Yeah, we're going to walk to the Pioneer part of the cemetery. So, it's over that direction. His sister doesn't want me to film her. She's going to be darting out of the way. But It's a lovely, dreary Saturday night in Texas, and it feels good to get out and walk. Doesn't look like it in the video, but it's very gray and dismal. So, this cemetery is so nice. It's very safe. Leander's a very safe city. It's open 24 hours, so you can come here anytime. Okay. Hold on. Okay. So, I love walking in cemeteries. Always have. This Nancy is very quietly peeking at the graves. I'm trying to manage this selfie stick. It's starting to get dark. It doesn't look like it in the video, but it is. Get out my K2 meter. Okay. Why is this tipped up? Hold on. I dropped my K2 meter. Nice gloomy sky. It's all Wuthering Heights up in here, isn't it? Just need a little bit of wind. Yeah, turn your meter on. Let's see. Oh. Look here. A Bible family. Very nice resting spot right by this pretty tree. What?
You're standing on people's graves. You're not avoiding the actual graves.
She says I'm standing on people's graves.
You're not walking around them.
I told her to speak up.
You're not walking around them.
No, I'm not. They're not here anymore, Nancy.
No, but I think it's a respect thing.
Yep, see? They're not here. Wish you could see how nice and gloomy it is here.
Wish we would have brought one of those Mr. Clean magic fixtures. We could clean off.
They've been cleaning them, can't you tell?
Well, I saw in places, but it looks like just certain ones.
Some of them are so old, there's no way you could read their things if they hadn't cleaned them.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this one over here, right here. 1897.
Yeah,
Somebody's cleaning it. Sleep on, mother. Can you read that?
Thy work is done.
Speak up.
Sleep on, mother, thy work is done. Jesus has come and borne thee home.
Sleep on, mother. Something Ed Gein would say.
Mother of Mary Mason.
Mother.
Born in 1822.
Yeah, see, they're cleaning these. They keep up this cemetery so nice. This is a lovely, safe cemetery.
Can you imagine all the weed whacking they have to do? Because you can't just mow all this. A lot of it you can, but
I don't know. Okay, I've got the SLS camera on. You can see Nancy's mapping. So we'll see if we can see anything else. You got two people on you. It looked like there for a minute.
on you?
Yeah. I don't see anything. I usually always get something. Those are just mapping on the vertical lines of the grave stones. Although that does look like somebody is there, doesn't it? Sure does. I don't know. I think, who knows, really? I mean, it does look like somebody's. No, it looks like somebody's sitting on top of the. It's not sitting on the other ones. There's. Can you see that, Nancy?
Oh, yeah.
Looks like it's sitting on top of that. That one right there. Talking to the one over on the right. Because otherwise they'd all look like that. That's just mapping, I think. But that looks like an individual, doesn't it? They're having a get together. Let's go over and see if it disappears. Or it stays the same. Oh, it disappeared. See that? Now it's in the tree. Now it's over there. We scared it off.
Let's see if it's in the tree.
I don't know. It looks like they're everywhere. But that one looks like a figure, so I can see why that one would map. But there's this one, no, right here. Look at that. That's not. That's a tiny little thing. It's not as big as a person. Isn't that wild? So interesting. Huh. Let me walk towards that. See what happens. See? Disappeared. It's person. Or a spirit. You getting tired? Okay, we can go. I got what I came for. Okay, we're gonna leave now. I feel refreshed. I feel fresh. I'm gonna go have a glass of Pinot Grigio. I used to have Chardonnay, but I've switched because Pinot Grigio is lighter and sparkly, and it's a perfect Saturday night accompaniment to a lovely cemetery stroll. So I'm glad you could join us for our little short video to Baghdad Cemetery, where the part of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre was filmed. Check out my channel. I've got videos on history, mystery. I've got original short stories. I'm trying everything. I'm a variety. And travel. I like my travel videos the best. So check it out. And please leave a comment, because I get lots of likes and subscriptions, which I appreciate. I love you. Thank you. But I need those comments. Gotta have comments. That runs the YouTube algorithm. If I don't get comments, I'm dead in the water. Apparently, I'm learning. So anyway, happy Saturday night from Trippin' Tarpley Productions to you. Bye. See you in the next video.
Through the ferry light?
Yes, I'm going that way. I just can't see behind me, so I'm going. Nancy wants to go see the fairy lights over here. She says there's fairy lights. To the right or straight?
To the right. See, just all the lights on all the tombstones that have lights.
Yes, they have lights.
I can't tell them the headlights on.
Well,
I can't turn them off. Yeah. That's cool.
Look at that one. Look at that.
Very cute.
That's adorable.
I wonder if it's a child.
Look at that one over there. That one's kind of extreme. We should be out of the car right now looking at these. Shouldn't we?
Yeah, you should. You should go with that.
I know. I'm gonna getting it. I'm getting it. Don't let anybody steal the car, Nancy. There we go. Oh, something smells good. Somebody's cooking something across the road. Oh. I had to make my way to this brightly lit one. I think that's lovely. Oh, look, they have a bench too. I don't know if you can see that. Oops, fresh grave. Sorry about that. Just stepped on a fresh grave. I think I'd be the perfect girlfriend for Ed Gein. Together forever. Pascual and Trinidad. It's lovely, isn't it? Very colorful. I love that. Look at all the love that went into this. Little dolls, flowers, lights. I guess that's, I'm not Catholic, so I'm at a loss as to who, is that Mary? I guess it's Mary. A little Texas boot there. And a lot of these graves have all kinds of lights on them here. You really need to come here. It's a lovely, safe cemetery to visit. It's open 24 hours. Making my way back to the car. Can't hardly see. Hold on. There we go. I stepped on 2 fresh graves in the dark to get that for y'all. Well, not much on the K2 meters, but we had a nice evening. It was fun for an hour. I stepped on 2 graves, fresh graves. They were on either side of that.
Uh-oh.
I know.
Cursed.
Cursed. I'm not superstitious.
I listened to a thing this morning where a guy, when he went to like the petrified forest, you know, somewhere.
Took
like,
something.
Actually, he wasn't going to, but his stepdad encouraged him to do it. So they took like this piece of petrified wood and finally sent it back.
So the guy,
when he was an adult, years later.
the guy who took the petrified wood from the petrified forest,
Yeah,
was cursed.
he was sure.
And so he sent it back.
So he sent it back like years later, and then everything started just going great for him.
Good.
And he was like naming off all the stuff, all the bad stuff that was, you know, had happened to him.
Yeah.
It was interesting.
Well,
He believed it. He returned it.
most people have had enough bad stuff happen to them. Oh, I can't get out this way, Nancy. We're trapped. We're hopelessly
It just goes
trapped.
around in a circle, I think, doesn't it?
Yes, it goes around a circle, but it goes around in a big circle. So, turned out to be a nice night. I wish you had been feeling better, so you could be more rambunctious like I was feeling tonight.
Nice little setup out there.
I'm ready for my Pinot Grigio.
This is, I guess, where all the new graves are going to be.
This is a nice cemetery, I think.
Plenty of room.
Yeah.
So many people are cremated nowadays that
Yeah. You could just cremate me.
oh, me too.
I don't nobody love me anyway.
Or donate my body to science so that somebody can learn from it.
Science? She blinded me with science. Okay, we're
We
gonna
went to Obsidian Brewery with Malika and Preston. It's delicious.
Obsidian Brewery. Where was that?
Right across the street. It's right there.
Oh,
We had, I think, pizza. And oh my goodness, it was so good.